Far beyond our solar system, a lonely telescope captured a glimpse of something extraordinary. A mist-shrouded planet spinning quietly in the Splork Belt of the Mizzlehorn Galaxy. Scientists named it Flarbia 9, a world where life oozes, glows, and sometimes gets a little weird.
Test telephone switch to on, light on.
At sunrise, the mushroom forests reach toward the faint sun, their glowing caps drip with morning mist, breathing life into the damp alien air. Among the wetlands, strange beings shuffle into the day, searching for companionship and food.
I want fish.
Huh? You want me to order fish? Okay. Okay. But we used up our coupons. So, let me think. So, I'll get you fish.
Fish that sound like us.
Drawn by invisible fumes, the buzblebee flutters recklessly into danger, becoming a welcome snack for a patient flarbinoid. At sunset, the mushrooms sway again, releasing magical spores, a dazzling spectacle with dizzying side effects for nearby creatures. Traveling in groups offers safety, or at least better stories later. Some flarbinoids don't make it home gracefully. From afar, Flarbia 9 seems serene, but nature always has the last word.